Welcome to YouTube channel, and I'm here to guide you something. I've been working with the doctors and teaching doctors actually, West Covina Medical Hospital, and I've been practicing yoga for 45 years. Now, my heart said, let me talk to my friends and people who are suffering from cancer. Actually, heart disease cancer epidemic is day by day are getting worse. And actually, I was teaching with Dr. Wafai, Dr. Smith in Rancho Mirage, cancer patients, Laughing Yoga. I talked to doctor. I said, doctor, you don't teach them breathing. He said, Yogi, there's no money in breathing. So they give you radiation and therapy and all, and they try to do the things. And sometimes it works, sometimes it may not work, because radiations and all, it's really dangerous. It kills your natural cells. So what I have experienced all my 15 years working with doctors and recovery centers, I found that disease cannot live in oxygen. You have seen yoga and cancer right here. This is a book from Vivekananda Research Institute from India with Dr. Nagendra, is a good friend of mine. And they have done a lot of research work in Anderson Cancer Institute in Houston, Texas. Now, I have researched my personal research work with the doctors and cancer patients, and I help them. I had a guy, Ross, had a studio in LA, and he had a skin cancer. And he said that I'm going to die in 6 months. So 2005. So I said, don't worry about you met Yogi, I'll help you. And he started coming to my studio in Paramount. And he's still alive. I told him don't eat meat from tomorrow. Do more breathing exercise, laughing exercise, stretching exercise, all that, yoga therapy, yoga science therapy helped him. He's still alive. That's 15 years before. A lady had a uterus cancer, ovary cancer. So I helped and healed her with a hand, like a therapy, Reiki energy, and it's went away. My student Joan has thyroid cancer, and I taught her oxygen therapy exercise. And 3 days is gone. Doctor said, "Ma'am, you don't have cancer." So don't need to worry about, body heal itself, because your body is made of air, fire, water, earth, ether, five elements. So more you use the nature, more you start healing. So that is the source of energy from the sun, from the air, and also exercising and having no fear in your mind, but how to treat yourself, change your lifestyle, and eating properly, breathing properly, pranayama, and all that things help and make you feel good. Let me show you this, what the medical doctor says. You can get better 100% by breathing of your sinus, asthma, cold, flu, allergies, all problems you have, oxygen deficiency. A lot of people don't breathe. They don't focus on breath. Doctor never tell you go and do breathing exercise. Never, never. So you have to learn that. This is the key for healing your heart, body, and mind. Oxygen power. That's why I teach you about a lot of breathing exercise for whole body, head and neck, arms, because you all have cells, and cells need oxygen, first of all. Your cells are your enemy. If you don't do breathing exercise, they turn into cancer cell in 48 hours, and now people get cancer. Cancer takes a lot of time to show cancer in your body. But if you start breathing, you can kill the cancer cell. NK cells kill the cancer cell. Now see here, these are your lungs. See asthmatic lungs on your left side and normal lungs on your right side. So arteries are clogged and blocked. So you can't breathe in. You have a lot of inflammation inside, a lot of toxins, bacteria, virus, fungus, all this inside of you. So that's what problem you have. You have to clean your lungs. Your lungs are made of 65 million of cells. We only use 22 million, so we get a lung cancer, breast cancer, and uterus, bladder, ovary. We all have cancer cells, and we all need to take care of it and get better. Now, here's the real therapy that is called cell therapy. See all these cells? You see on the top, cells are clogged and blocked. After half an hour breathing, see the cells changes here, right? After 1 hour, their cells, like here, you see these cells are more hemoglobin, more blood inside. They are much better than this one. After 2 hours, your cells are like that. They can stay for 15 minutes right there. So this is cell therapy, the very important. You are what your cells are. You may not understand because you don't have time to think about inner body, which is very important. So the best thing I will advise you to do breathing exercise. Breathing, cleansing your body and mind, getting rid of all the toxins inside of you, and can help you. I was in Kaiser Permanente in Downey like 10 years before, and doctor invited me. There were 16 doctors. Lunchtime, I went there, and they told me, show your yoga power. So I didn't talk about laughter wellness. I just showed them half an hour, science of yoga, the power of breath, how you can get rid of all toxin diseases. 99% disease go away by breathing, called pranayama. And I asked them any questions. So they said, no. Who are you? Oh, I'm Yogi from India. They said, oh, but we have to make money. So they never talk to you about breathing. And breathing is free. It's nature cure medicine. Your body is made of air, fire, water, earth. These are five elements. And nobody talks about it. And people are ignorant about breathing. But a lot of people, breathing can kill your cancer cell. NK cells, natural killer cells, kill the cancer cell. So we all have problem inside. And we all have cancer cells too. So white cells are cancer cells. So you have to get more oxygen in your body. Then you have to drink a lot of water and fruits and change your diet, be in the nature, sit in the sun. All those therapies are natural therapy, which is 5,000 years old. Millions of people are suffering. Eddie Albert is a very famous actor. His wife died from cancer. And so he has made a uh, documentary on that, what doctor won't tell you about cancer. So you're very upset because, doctor never told them in the beginning, later on when cancer build up more advanced stage and suddenly after the death, the fourth stage of cancer. So my therapy is oxygen therapy or to laughter therapy. So I'm not talking about laughter now because I'm a laughing yogi. But breathing is really helps you. So what you can do, get up in the morning, take a deep breath. You're breathing more oxygen. Your body needs 6 pounds of oxygen. And that's energize your cells inside. So this is science of breath I'm teaching you. Now you need more oxygen, pure oxygen, not a toxic air, because your cells need pure oxygen. So they produce more new cells, and their cells are what you are. Now what you can do, put oxygen in your mouth. Whoop. So your brain need more oxygen. Left brain is a lot of negativity, fear, anger, anxiety. So mental health problem. It's all cells. And cells of God, bodies of earth. So I'm expert in a breathing called yogi, yoga of breath, and yoga of laughter. All that is nature's way of healing. It might take 3 months' time, sometimes it takes 6 months' time, maybe 9 months' time, maybe year, but slowly your cancer cells dies and new cells come, and you can heal yourself from breathing therapy. Along with that comes, nutrition is also important, relaxation, meditations, and healing your own self from the nature. Now, another exercise you can do, take a deep breath, bring your mouth like this, breathe out from the nose. The oxygen goes to your stomach, where you have your all organs are there, kidney, colon, liver, pancreas. And a lot of people have acidity inside the left side of your stomach, all toxins in the inflamed body. So when oxygen goes, it kills the dead cells and start creating a new cells. Another exercise for cancer prevention. Take a deep breath, clench your teeth. Now, a lot of people get thyroid cancer. Thyroid glands is very important right here, thyroid, parathyroid. For that, you can do two exercise. I cured a lot of people with thyroid cancer. So clench your teeth and breathe in. So what happens? The power of breath goes through the mouth to your thyroid here, and it kills the cancer cells, and new cells comes, and you don't need surgery for the cancer. Natural healing comes. One more exercise. Now put your tongue at the back and breathe in. So all these 4 or 5 exercises I taught you, especially for cancer prevention. And if you have it, you don't need to worry, don't you get more anxiety or fear. I'm going to die with cancer. You have to fight with it. Be a warrior and come to yogi. Or I have a DVD on yoga, cancer yoga for yoga therapy for cancer control. You can get the DVD from my website, universalyoga.org. So I have all kind of things for you, but you have to be strong now. How to prevent cancer? Do more breathing exercise. Now you have to clean your nostrils because like a tumor, mental health problem, cancer cell develop and people get mentally ill. They're all in your body. They're just running in your blood cells, in your arteries. You don't see all that. Ross had a skin cancer, advanced stage. He was going to die in 6 months. And I said, stop eating meat from tomorrow. Drink celery, carrot, apple juice. And he got crazy. He said, no, Yogi, I won't eat meat that. And I have to just eat what you tell me. And he's still alive. Advanced stage cancer therapy. So I help because I know people come to me as a soul, as my duty to serve them and guide them how to get better. But if they go to doctor, they do chemo radiation, and from that, they kill the natural cells, and then more problem comes. And suppose you get better after some time again, you get cancer. I have people have twice cancer, and they got surgery, got better. So cells will be always there. You are what your cells are. So you have to purify yourselves by doing pranayama breathing exercise. So let me show you a little breathing exercise. If you do it 5 minutes every day, it's called Kapal Bhati in yoga science. Do it like 1 minute, and you start feeling better. Then just relax for 30 seconds. Again, do it. It's like you do it for 5 minutes, like 300 times. That's the way it will kill your cancer cells, colon, kidney, you know, uterus, bladder, ovary, all this lower genital area. So cancer cells live lower area because they don't need their anaerobic. They can live without oxygen. They don't need oxygen. But then you put the oxygen, more oxygen, fill up your body with that. So cancer cell dies and slowly healing starts. This is a naturopathy. Research has been done in India, yoga sign therapy, with Nagendra and many yoga institute people in India. So that really natural therapy, and you can be healthy and happy instead of going for surgery. So this is a nature cure medicine, and I have been helping people, and they got better. And I've been teaching doctors even. Also, I was working with Dr. Kalra, Dr. Wafai, Dr. Smith, Dr. Susan Joel, and many medical doctors, and Dr. Ruorden, and all these people. And they said, "Hey, I like laughing therapy." So laughter is the best medicine because laughter is in like a contagious, it energizes your endorphin, and then you start feeling better. You have seen a Dr. Organ came from Channel 2, and I had a show with him on laughingyogi.org. You can see clips with Dr. and Yogi. So this is all nature cure therapy. And now you can do one thing. If you start drinking 3 glasses of warm water early in the morning without brushing your teeth, that goes to your stomach, in your colon, large intestine, gallbladder, and all internal organs which are clogged and blocked, inflamed arteries, and clean it out so you won't get a colitis, colon cancer. And so, 3 glass warm water early in the morning. I do the same thing, and don't drink cold water. Cold water is your enemy because your left side you have a hot water, fire burning, digest your food. And you put cold water on it, it's your enemy. So you got to drink normal temperature, 17 degree. You know, and that's the way your body start heating. Your body cannot put too much hot, too much cold. You have to have everything balanced. And nutrition, you can eat apple a day, and fruits, vegetable, orange juice. Turmeric is very good now. They're selling in America. Turmeric is for anti-cancer. So turmeric, you can take a juice and orange juice or a half a spoon and mix it up and drink it. Turmeric, half a spoon, is very hot. So that will help you. So um, all this a naturopathy I'm teaching you. That's what you need in life to get better, get healthy. And laughter is the key, the best medicine. You have seen my picture here. Laughter, the best medicine. From conversation, happy. So all these things are very natural, which I'm teaching you, but you got to understand and practice it. A lot of people come from the cancer with a mental health problem. I teach healing power. So I'm in Palm Springs, California. You go on website universalyoga.org or laughingyogi.org. Go on Google, put laughing yogi, I come right there. Because I'm the one laughing yogi all over the world. So my job is to make you healthy and happy. So laughter for health and happiness. Health is the greatest wealth. If you're not healthy, you might have $1 million, but you're suffering, you can't enjoy. You don't need dollars, right? It's all in your mind. So whatever Lord gave you, be happy with it. Simple living, high thinking, and take care of your body. You are what your body is. So I don't want you to have problem in the future. Or so prevention therapy. Prevention is better than cure. So if you don't care, you got to care now. Get healthy and happy. So I really thank you, YouTube and Google and all beautiful viewers. Tell your friends to subscribe Laughing Yogi channel so they can learn about how to be healthy and happy, how to relax, how to enjoy life. If you have any questions, you can always mm, go on website and tell me what's to be done, and then I will help you and start getting better. Thank you very much for watching Laughing Yogi, universalyoga.org, and Laughing Yogi channel. Thank you all. Blessing. Be happy. Happy, 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 happy.